Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start in Settings because that's where Developer Options lives. Tap About Phone, then Software Information. This reveals Build Number. If Build Number is visible, you may already have Developer Options enabled, so make sure you note its presence. You're doing this now to remove Advanced Access later. Once done, go back to the main settings list. Developer Options will either be present under System or Hidden. This first check prevents unnecessary steps and confirms the path for disabling USB debugging and developer access. You now enter Developer Options to turn off USB debugging. This blocks ADB and file access from computers. Scroll until you find USB debugging, tap the toggle to off, and confirm the prompt that warns about debugging access being removed. Next, switch off OEM unlocking and other risky toggles like Stay Awake or Install via USB to tighten security. Make sure to move slowly and read dialogues. Disabling these prevents unauthorized commands and keeps the bootloader and device safer against accidental changes. To fully remove the Developer Options entry, clear the Settings app data, which resets that menu's visibility. This is why you turned off individual toggles first. Go to Apps, find Settings, choose Storage, then Clear Data, confirm that you understand it resets some preferences. Restart the phone to ensure the setting sticks and verify Developer Options no longer appears. If Developer Options or USB debugging still shows, try toggling once more, then reboot. If issues persist, check for device management profiles or enterprise policies that may re-enable it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.